I am working on my Level 1 Word badge, Word Level 1 badge, and we're going to start by showing how to create a blank Word document. On my taskbar, I have my Word icon. That's just a simple click that I can access Microsoft Office Word on my computer. I click it once, left click. Here I am at a blank document. Now I'm going to add content. This is for a second grade lesson reviewing what are pronouns. So my content question for my students is, what are pronouns? And my second task that I'm going to ask them to do is to list 10 examples of pronouns. This lesson is based on a review. We will have already spent significant class time working on this. But this would be an assignment they would be working on to review this topic. So my next task is to add a hyperlink. So my hyperlink is just a link, a reference to data that my readers, my second graders, can directly follow, either by clicking, tapping, or hovering over the word. I'm going to create the actual word pronoun to be my hyperlink that will directly take them to a website that I have already found and researched, that they will be able to access this information. So I'm going to go move my cursor, my I-beam, and I'm going to highlight pronouns. I'm going to do that by left-clicking and dragging my cursor over the word pronoun. So it is now highlighted. I will refer to my toolbar up here and click on my Insert tab. Insert tab, I click that. I now go to my hyperlink icon button. So I just click on hyperlink. I have already selected the word pronoun to be my word, my actual word to the link. Now I need to type in my URL address, copy my URL address that will direct my students to this information. So I will again go down, I'll refer back to my taskbar. I will click on my taskbar. I have looked up already this website, Grammarly blog, on pronouns and examples. I have highlighted this website, so it is highlighted. I highlight again by clicking and dragging over my text. That is copied. Now I go back to my Word document with my Word icon. In my address bar, I'm going to copy that URL link, which is just, my copy command is Control-V. Control-V, there is my website address. I'll click OK. Notice now, the word pronouns is blue. It is underlined. That means it directly will take me to this link. In my Word, I'm just hovering my I-beam over the word, and it gives me the directions to Control-click to follow the link. So I will Control-click. Here is my link. I will go back to my document in Word. My last task is to save this. So to save, I will click on my File tab. I left-click on File. I drop down to my second option, which is Save As. I click that. Now, here is my title of my document, What Are Pronouns? It just took the first words that I typed. I'm going to just name this Pronouns. I'm going to title it Pronouns. This is my file name. Right under this is my file type. It would automatically save as a Word document, but we are going to save it as a PDF. Right here, I go down, I find PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. And the reason this is being selected is because this format allows all computer users to access this file, to open it, to edit it, review it, and print it. So I'm just going to click Save. And that is my task for the Word Level 1 badge of creating a blank document, adding content, adding a hyperlink, and saving as a PDF file.